Chicago home values just jumped 7% over last year, yet the pool of available listings keeps getting smaller, heating up late summer competition. May numbers show active inventory down 12% across the city, giving most sellers leverage and forcing motivated buyers to move fast. The city's median sale price now rests at $430K, and houses are going under contract in 46 days, 3 days faster than last year. Redfin's buyer-seller index labels Chicago balanced, but in many neighborhoods, winning still means strong terms, quick closes, and thoughtful concessions. 30-year fixed rates slid under 6.25% in July, nudging affordability upward just as fall listings begin to hit. Buyers should lock financing and schedule tours same day. Sellers should tackle repairs, stage thoughtfully, and price to current data for maximum gain. Ready for a strategy tailored to your northwest or west suburb move? Call, text, or DM me and let's get you home.